Welcome to Naturalist Shoutout Livestream, right? Question and answer Shoutout Livestream, right? What I'm going to be doing is give shoutout to all the persons who comment on my videos each week. I'll try and give you guys some shout, all right, by reading through the comments and showing my appreciation, giving you guys some shout out. All right. So remember to tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Yeah, man. So let's get right into it. Yes, so I see one person in the live right now. Welcome. Big shout out. You know, can type in the comment box. Type in the comment box. Let me know who is in the live so I can give you guys some shout out. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my phone right here. Right. I'm on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to be scrolling through the comments, right? Giving you guys some shout out. Not sure if you guys can hear me perfectly, right? But let's go. So right now I am on my recent video. And then another friend comment how to make carrot sauce Jamaican food. Right, so going into the comment section now. First, I have Eminence Vlog, right? Eminence Vlog, leave a comment. Delicious carrot sauce, well presented. So I want to give a big shout out to Eminence Vlog. Really appreciate the support, right? So big shout out to Eminence Vlogs, right? Another comment here from Earth's Medicine, right? Comment read like this. Love how you do things on your channel. I'll certainly tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Friend. LOL. Many blessings to you. Yeah, man. So big up Earth's Medicine for your comment, right? Really appreciate the comment. You guys can check out these channels, right? Because we are here to support each other, build each other up as a community, all right? So next comment is from Belkey's Kitchen. Very nice. Thumbs up, right? So big shout out to Belkey's Kitchen, right? Appreciate the love and support, right? Continue to support Naturalist Jamaican home cooking. I'll try and come through each week, read the comments, and give my shout outs, right? So please comment and let me know what you think. Next comment is from Ryan Urianto, right? I'm not sure if I got the pronunciation right, but it's from Ryan Urianto, right? Saying, nice video, thanks for sharing, right? I'm seeing a flag here. I'm not sure if it's Indian flag, but they have a flag, and it's a nice video. Thanks for sharing. So big up to Ryan Urianto. Appreciate the support. I have two persons in the live right now. Process Digital, the big chef, bless up Process digitally, enough respect, right? Appreciate the support, youth. Zin, let me just respond to this comment. Yeah, man. So responding to Process Digital comment a while ago, because I like to be hands-on, But big respect again, Process Digital. Respect, always supporting the channel, right? I'm not sure if you guys can hear me clearly, right? So if you can hear me clearly, Process Digital, just type and let me know if you are hearing me clearly. Showing me on mine that the microphone is working, but I'm not sure if it's coming across clear, right? Yeah, man. You know, respect for coming in. All clear, no issues. Yeah, man. Big up Process Digital, right? So, I continue scrolling through the comments. Zin. Yeah, man. So, I have another comment here from CR3 Media saying looking nice and tasty. Big respect to CR3 Media, one of the main fans, always passing through, always supporting. I'm seeing a thumbs up, you know, respect for that thumbs up. I'm not sure who left the thumbs up, but respect for the thumbs up. Right. I have another comment here from Fatima's Kitchen, right, saying it's looking delicious. Emoji with a licking tongue. I'm not sure what kind of description is that, if it's the right description, but I'm seeing an emoji with a tongue licking, you know. Yummy recipe, hot and shaken, right? So Fatima's Kitchen, big respect. Shout out to Fatima's Kitchen. Remember, you can check out these guys. You can check out their channel, because this is what the live stream is all about, to show support to persons who are supporting my channel. Big them up, give them a shout out, so you guys can check them out. I have 4 persons in the live right now. Welcome. Carlinton is saying bless up to you, Carlinton. Enough respect, appreciate you coming through, right? So what I'm trying to do right here is give some shout out persons who left their comment on my videos. I'm just reading through the comments, right? Digging them up. Persons who are checking in on the live as well, right? Blessing them up as well. I'm not going to stop to respond to each text message. I'm just going to read them and proceed and respond by vocally, right? So if you're just joining, enough respect. I'm seeing 3 persons in the live right now. So as I said before, what I'm doing is reading through some comments on my videos, showing my support, giving shout out to persons who have commented on my videos, right? So welcome if you're just joining, right? I'm seeing a comment here from Amelia Frankie's Little Kitchen, right? Comment is, I love how you say all those friends. Ha 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 ha. I think I will love this carrot sauce or dipping sauce. So enough respect to Amelia's Frankie's Little Kitchen, right? I always like to go through and read my the comments, right? It's a lot of comments, and if I have not read your comments or responded to your comments, just give me some time and I'll get around to it. So next comment is from Biting Time, right? It said this sauce look delicious and a must try. Well done. Thumbs up. Yeah, man. So big shout out to Biting Time, right? I have 5 persons in the live right now. Welcome if you're just joining. You know, I'm giving some shout out to persons who have left their comments on my videos, right? So I'm seeing a name right here. I can't pronounce it, but I'll try. It says Kansu Yazishi Eve Sil. I'm not so sure if I'm getting it right, but I've tried. It said 16 like Berdami Sinidi Beklerim. Some emojis, thumbs up, gift basket, and flowers. I'm not sure what that means, but enough respect to Kanshu Yazishi, right? Shout out to you, right? So I have Ryan's Kitchen saying, wow, really yummy and delicious, my friend. Art. So big shout out to Ryan's Kitchen. You know, appreciate the comment, right? Appreciate the comment, Ryan's Kitchen. So I have Recipe Tan say 10th like amazing intro emoji, tasty sauce, right? Emoji again with licking lips. So welcome to the live. If you're just joining in, right? Appreciate you coming through. So what I'm doing is I'm reading some comments, right, from one of my videos, giving some shout out to persons who are coming through, coming in the live, right, as well as giving shout out to persons who have commented on my videos. So if you're a creator, right, just leave a comment. If you want me to shout out your channel, just leave a comment if you are in the live right now so that I can know who is in the live. Give you a shout out so that persons can check out your channel, right? And you can also comment on my videos for future shout out videos, right? So welcome again. So I have a comment here from Cook with Andrew saying carrot sauce. Cook with Andrew is saying carrot sauce recipe super, right? With some emoji, right? So big respect to Cook with Andrew. Shout out to you. Appreciate it, right? So I have another comment here from Universal Vice. So remember, guys, go and check out this channel, you know, show some support. Welcome again if you are just joining in, right? This is a shout out video to persons who have left a comment on my video. I'm just going through the comments, reading through the comments, and giving these channels and these supporters a shout out. Right, so if you want me to give you a shout out, just leave a comment on the live so that I can know who is in the live and give you a shout out. All right? Yeah. So Universal Vice is saying thanks for visiting and leaving your valuable suggestion in Universal Vice relaxing music. Happy to be here. Very good sauce, healthy and yummy. Stay safe and stay blessed. See you again soon. All right. So big shout out to Universal Vice for that comment, right? Appreciate it, you know, enough respect, right? So if you have any questions, if you are in the live and you have any question, guys, also a question and answer session, right? I'm seeing grimy, my socks back. Oh, sorry. Give me my socks back. Say, love you, brother. Yeah, man, respect to give me my socks back. You know, give me my socks back. Enough respect. Appreciate that. You know, appreciate you coming through the live. Right? You know, always trying to show my support, give back my support to fellow creators and persons who have taken the time out to pass through the live and show me their support. You know, very appreciative of that. Right? You know, because without you, I wouldn't have a channel, because I wouldn't have anybody to watch my videos and, you know, support me on this journey. So I have 7 persons in the live right now welcome. If you are just joining in, right? You know, you can leave a comment if you want me to give you a shout out. If you have any questions, you can also type it in the comment section and I'll try and answer it, right? So what I'm doing, I'm reading some comments on my latest upload, which is carrot sauce, how to make carrot sauce, right? Persons who have commented, I'm just going to read through these comments, right? Showing them my support, you know, so that persons can check out their channel and just to give back, basically, right? So give me my socks back. He's saying I do feel that a lot of cooking channels have no soul, but your channel have a very family friendly atmosphere to it. So please continue. Yeah, man. Respect for that. You know, trust me. You know, I really appreciate you saying that. You know, really appreciate you saying that. Give me my socks back. Right? I hope you get back your socks. You know, and I'm glad to be a help. You know, glad to be a family friendly channel. And that is the whole idea. You know, to just hold a vibe, cook some food, right? And share my craft with persons. Pro focus photography said nice quality live broadcast. Yeah, man, respect. You know, have to have a good setup because I'm also a videographer and a filmmaker, so I have to try and put forward the best quality, right? So when I'm finished, I'll just do a little video of this setup, you know, and place it on the channel. You know, so respect again, you know. Seeing 4 thumbs up. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. Right, appreciate the support. Right, so I'm moving through again with the comments. If you are just joining, welcome to this shout out question and answer live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, just leave a comment in the comment section so that I can know who is in the live and I can give you a shout out. Right, so what I'm doing is reading through some comments, right, on my last upload, how to make carrot sauce. Right, I'm on my channel right now on the comment section with my phone, reading through, you know, giving person shout out who took the time out to support my channel. Right, so welcome again. I have 9 persons in the live. Right, so Rosemary Ralph Walls saying impressive cooking skills. Thank you, Rosemary. Big shout out to Rosemary Raffles. Right? Another comment. Lynn's cooking recipe saying great carrot sauce looking delicious. Great recipe. Thanks so much for sharing. Have a great day. Big shout out to Lynn's cooking recipe. Right? I'm seeing Seema's Can's Kitchen saying like 19. Looks so tasty. Very nice sharing. Stay connected, dear friend. So big shout out to Seema's Can's Kitchen. Right? Welcome again. If you are just joining in the live, leave a comment in the comment section so that I can give you a shout out. Appreciate you being here, even if you're not staying for long, but you know, just passing through. If you're just passing through and you want me to give you a shout out, because I know we're all busy persons, right? So I'm not expecting persons to be here all night with me. But if you are just passing through, nevertheless, if you want a shout out, just type it in the comment section so that I can know and give you a shout out, right? So moving through again. Raja's Madifkaski saying nice video, thanks for sharing, right? So respect Raja Madifkaski, you know, respect, thanks for the comment, right? I'm seeing at girl Stephanie, where can I get the sauce to buy? Whoa, that is a Very good question. Right now the sauce is not on sale, but I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. So big shout out to that girl Stephanie. She saying it look nice. So respect for that. Thank you for your comment and big shout out again. Thank you for the support. Right. So I'm moving through again with some comments on my video, giving some shout out. Right. So this is some Chinese language. Apparently this person is from China or one of those places. Harmonica Morning is saying hello, smiley face, green heart, purple heart. I'm not sure what the meaning of those are, but say thanks for sharing, thumbs up, star, heart. Have a wonderful day. Emoji with heart face, all type of emoji, balloon, everything. God bless you and God bless you and your family. Clapping hands, heart. So Harmonica Morning, thanks for the support. Right? I'm seeing 8 persons in the live right now. Welcome. 9 persons if you are just joining in. Welcome. If you want me to give you a shout out, just type something in the comment section so that I can know it's you and give you a shout out. Right? What I'm doing is reading through some comments, persons who took the time out, support my channel, giving them some shout out as a way of acknowledging them, that I really appreciate them. You guys. All right. So I'm moving through again. Zaika's Fashion Health says super, it's delicious. Big shout out to Zaika Fashion Health. All right. Rukala Afal, you did a great job with the carrot sauce. Yeah, man. Big shout out to Rukafal. Thanks for the comment. Right. I'm seeing someone by the name of Coquinado Can Chilito Llamas. Apparently they are Spanish. So the pronunciation is Coquinado Can Chilito Llamas. Saying gracias par camparia. Gracias par campari como preparara salsa de Zanaria. Well, I don't know what is the meaning of that, but it must be something good with a carrot. So thank you for the comment. Cancinado Canchilito Llamas. Appreciate the support. Right? I'm seeing Jamaica Firefighter saying, what about mango sauce? It's mango season now. Well, I can look into it. I can make a mango sauce maybe for the next episode or further on down the line. I can make a mango sauce. That's a good suggestion. Thank you for the suggestion, Jamaica Firefighter. Big shout out to you. I can definitely do a mango sauce video. Right? I did a mango jam video before. And making the sauce is not that hard. So I can do a mango sauce video. So welcome if you are just joining. This is a shout out video. Right? Question and answer session, shout out video. Right? I'm going reading through some comments using my phone right here. I'm on my channel. Right? So I'm reading through some comments from my last upload. Right? I'm giving shout out. So if you are in the live and you want me to give you a shout out, just type something in the comment section so I can see and give you a shout out. So Jamaican Firefighter in the comment section is saying the mango sauce is close to the jam. Yeah, definitely it's close to the jam. It's something similar. Right? It's very, very similar. All you have to do is just add your spices, herbs and spices, and just let everything come to a simmer. Everything come into one, and then you have your sauce. So it's a similar recipe, right? So enough respect, Jamaican Firefighter. match it up soon then. Yeah, man, we'll look into it. Right, so appreciate you guys coming through the live. Let's move through again with the comments. Right, this person, John Reno, Wang Solo, Amai, Bargwar. I can't even pronounce some of them Chinese up here. But anyway, person is saying, carrot sauce, thanks for sharing. Have a nice day. So John Reno, Wang Solo, thanks for the comment. Appreciate you coming through, you know. Manisha recipes, right? Some praise on emoji, some thumbs up, something looking like this, you know, and something looking like this, and some emoji with licking tongue, right? So Manisha recipe, appreciate you coming through, right? So moving through again, Tontonier Rosie Gore is saying big like 25. Wow, so yummy looks. Tontonier Rosie Gore, appreciate your comment and big shout out to you. Right, so if you're just joining the live, welcome. If you are not staying, even if you are just passing through, appreciate you coming through in the live. Right, so if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section and I'll acknowledge you and give you a shout out. Right, so Process Digitally is saying, seems you need an interpreter to help with some of the names. Definitely, you know. Definitely need an interpreter because most of my fan base is in India, China, US, all over the world basically, Jamaica, but I have a lot of Indian and Chinese, even in Europe, fan base. So some of these names are in Spanish and in French and all type of names. So I'm trying my best, you know. Right, Process Digitally is showing smiley face and laughing face. But yeah, man, I have a lot of French and Chinese and Spanish supporter. Right. Yeah, man. So, you know, sorry for the breaking transmission a while ago, but I'm using a digital camera and every now and again the shutter, it kind of have a delay, a freeze. So, welcome. If you're just joining in, if you want me to give you a shout out, just leave it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. This is a shout out video, question and answer video, right? I'm reading through some comments from my latest upload, right? And giving shout outs, right? So moving through again, Cook with an Anu is saying looks great. So big shout out with Cook with Anu, right? So I'm seeing, I can't understand these Greek. I'm seeing some Greek writing, right? I can't understand them, but I'm seeing a lot of art, about 5 art. So person who send that comment, big shout out to you, right? So don't know if I'm not sure if you can see clearly. I don't think so, but anyway, moving through. CR3 Records is saying, wow, mouth watering. So big respect CR3 Records, right? Seen another comment right here with some thumbs up. So big respect. Another one with some Greek writing. Moving through, right? So welcome if you're just joining the live, right? If you want me to give you a shout out, you know, you can leave a comment and I'll give you a shout out. I have 8 persons in the live right now. Welcome. This is a shout out video, question and answer session as well. So if you have anything you would like to ask me, once I'm able to answer, I'll give you an answer. So leave a comment in the comment section. If you want me to give you a shout out, if you are a creator, if you have a channel and you want me to give you a shout out, right, you can also leave it in the comment section. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm reading through some comments from my latest video and giving these persons a shout out. So you can check out their channel because a lot of these persons are creators as well. Right. So moving through again. Comment from DVG Kitchens and More, Danny is saying very nice, something new to me. Thank you for sharing, sending support from your new follower, DVG Kitchen and More. So DVG Kitchen and More, enough respect, big shout out to DVG Kitchen and More. Moving along again, Mama John's Kitchen saying delicious recipe. Big respect, Mama John's Kitchen. You know, AO City Rhythm, where is the live cooking? Midnight cooking. Yeah, I know AO City. You know, I must do a midnight cooking one of these nights, but just came in from work because I have a 9 to 5 job, so I have to be trying to balance the channel with my 9 to 5 job, and it's kind of difficult. So no live cooking. No live cooking this evening, but big respect to AO City Rhythms. You know, go over and check out AO City Rhythms. You know, doing big things, right? So go over and check him out. All right. Moving through again. Kamparam, Po, Bezdoash, Powell, Bosnia is saying big like, super video. Yeah, man. So enough respect to Kamparam, Po, Bezdoash, Powell, Bosnia. I guess this person is from Bosnia. Yeah, so big respect. All right, so Alcha and Gun saying Marshak. I'm not so sure what that means, but big respect, right? Welcome. If you are just joining in the live, even if you are just passing through, this is a shout out video, right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, you can type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. If you are a creator, you know, persons who are watching this video is going to go up on my channel as well. So persons who will be watching this video, you know, you can get traffic from this video as well. So type it in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. If you want me to shout out your channel, type it in the comment section. Right, so this is a question and answer session as well. So if you have any questions you'd like to ask, you know, feel free to ask. Right, I have 7 persons in the live. Right, enough respect. Shout out to persons who took the time out. You know, shout out to persons who took the time out. Right, I'm experiencing a delay with this camera from time to time. The shutter is freezing. I'm not so sure if you guys are experiencing that, right? But anyway, welcome again if you are just joining. AO City Rhythm is saying Randy's time, saying hi. Big up Randy's time for passing through. You know, enough respect. It's saying, how are you? You know, I'm doing good though around this time. I'm doing good, right? Just came in and decided to do a live. Right, I wanted to do this live for some time now, but I've been busy. Right, came in from work as I have a 9 to 5 job. Decided to, you know, take the time out to go on the live, give some shout out to persons who have commented on my videos. Right, you know, give them some shout out, and you know, hopefully I can continue doing these live stream and shout out videos. And this time he's saying, okay, I'm also good. Happy to see you. Yeah, man. big respect, appreciate the support, right? Appreciate the love and support you guys have been showing me over the years. Channel is still young, have a far way to go, right? Channel is still young and have a far way to go, but I'm trying to hang in there, right? Have a lot of things coming, a lot of menus coming, right? So, big respect around this time. So go over and check out around this time channel, right? Jamaican firefighter. I say, oh, you're managing those. Oh, you're managing those worth the 9 to 5. Well, to tell you the truth, it's very, 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 very challenging, very, very draining at time. When I hear people talk about burnout, I've experienced a lot of burnout. Many, many times I've experienced burnout, but I try to, hang in there and try to put the best foot forward, right? So I'm trying to just maintain a balance, because this whole YouTube thing is about maintaining a balance, right? But it's very difficult, especially when you're a young channel. When you're a young channel and you don't have thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers, very difficult to manage, right? So Esther's Kitchen is saying hi. Hi, Esther's Kitchen, right? Shout out to you. Big respect to Esther's Kitchen, right? Enough respect. Appreciate you passing through Esther's Kitchen, enough respect. So this is a shout out video. If you want me to give you a shout out, just leave it in the comment section, right? And I'll give you a shout out. So what I'm doing, I'm reading some comment from my last video, right? Giving back. I have 8 persons in the live. Welcome. Appreciate you passing through, even if you're not staying for long, but I appreciate you taking the time out. And this time is saying, stay safe, naturalist. Yeah, man, big respect around this time. Always a pleasure. Always try to stay safe, and you stay safe as well, you and the family. Appreciate you coming through. Enough respect. Big respect every time. Right? So moving along again. Naturalist Music is saying nice sauce. Big respect to Naturalist Music. Right? Go over and check out my music channel, because I have a music channel as well. Right? So you can check that out. Esther's Kitchen is saying Sugano, right? I don't speak Spanish, right? But big up again, Esther's Kitchen, right? Big up again, run this time saying thank you. Yeah, man, you don't know run this time. Big up, right? So, Food Delicious Kitchen by Saba is saying it's a very good carrot sauce recipe, right? Big respect to Food Delicious Kitchen by Saba. Appreciate the comment, right? Parto TV saying amazing tip. I leave bell activated and stay connected. Yeah, man, we'll stay connected. All right. So big respect to Parto TV, right? I have 5 persons in the live right now. Six persons in the live right now. Tashano, Tashoya Blake is saying just subscribe. Respect for the sub, Tashoya Blake. Enough respect. Appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Right? I'll definitely check you out if you have a channel. 10 persons in the live right now. Appreciate you coming through. If you want me to give you a shout out, just type something in the comment section and I'll acknowledge you, give you a shout out. So shout out again to Tashaya Blake, said just subbed. Ran this time saying going to attend Sunday online service. So bye bye. Yeah, man, big up Ran this time. Appreciate the support. you know, appreciate the support. Esther's Kitchen saying thank you, dear. Big up again, Esther's Kitchen. You know, appreciate you passing through. You know, love the support. You know, love, respect. Tashaya Blake is saying, hi, sir. You're spoiling my name. It's okay still. You know, you have to see with me, Tashaya. Tashaya Blake. You know, you have to see with me. You know, but thanks for the support, Tashaya. Appreciate you passing through. You know, appreciate the sub. Thanks for the sub again. Remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. You know, so Esther's Kitchen saying, okay, bye. You know, okay, bye, Esther's Kitchen. You know, big shout out again. Thanks for the support. You know, welcome again if you are just joining. Right, Tashaya Blake is saying that's correct now. Right, you know, with a smiley face. So yes, Tashaya, you know, you have to see with me sometime because I'm a bit tired and long day at work. You know, come in and decide to do this live, right? So you have to see with me, you know. So this live stream is a shout out live stream. I'll try to do more of these live stream, right, during the week. So sometime you will see me just come on the live randomly. Sometime I'll set like a live post notification, right? But I'll try to do more live stream, you know, during the week, probably 2 or 3 per week, sometime 1 per week. It all depends on how my schedule is for the week, you know. But appreciate you guys coming through, right? Welcome if you are just joining. This is a shout out live stream where I'll be reading some comments from my video, my last video, right? Shouting out persons who have commented on my video. So, you know, if you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. If you are a creator, if you have a channel, if you have a friend who have a channel, just type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? Because persons will be watching this video and this video will be on my channel. So whoever watch this video will drive traffic to your channel if you're a creator. So feel free to leave a comment, right, on any of my videos because I'll be just going through and doing some shout out video, right? So moving along again, Vang Tai Nang Hai. So I guess this person is from China, right? Vang Tai Nang Hai saying like 35, right? So big up Vang Tai Nang Hai, big shout out, right? Big shout out to Vang Tai Nang Hai, right? So I have Rhea Kai Kitchens, Rhea Kai Kitchen saying thanks for sharing. Big shout out to Rhea Kai Kitchen, right? So you guys can check them out. You guys can check them out, see what they are up to, show your support as well, right? Because this is what the shout out video is about, you know, to help other creators. Shout out videos to help other creators, right? So positive vibration, no salt, you know, big respect, positive vibration for coming through, saying no salt, right? But the thing is, it's still, we do need a little bit of salt in our diet, right? Because if you don't have salt in your diet, you know, that will result in low blood pressure, right? So you have to have a balance, but I don't cook with a lot of salt, right? I don't cook with a lot of salt, but we do need a bit of salt in our diet from now to then because you will have low blood pressure. You know, low blood pressure is not a good thing, right? So big respect to positive vibration, you know, respect for coming through, appreciate the support even if you are not staying for long. You know, this is a shout out video and a question and answer session, right? So type it in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out, because persons will be watching this video, right? We have 4 persons in the live right now, right? So what I'm doing is I'm going through some comment on my last video, how to cook carrot sauce, right? 7 persons in the live right now, welcome. If you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? Because this video persons will be watching, and if you are a creator, you can get traffic from this video, because this shout out live stream is also to help other creators who want to grow their channel as well. So positive vibration is saying Jah guide. Yeah man, you don't know, you know. Jah guide all the while. You don't know. In everything we do, we have to put Jah, put the Almighty, you know, whoever you pray to, right? We have to put God in everything that we do. Put Jaja in everything that we do. You don't know without Jaja, you know. With all this killing and all this craziness in the world right now, without the blessing of Jah, the Almighty, the Creator, you know, trust me, don't know what will happen, right? But moving along again, if you are just joining, big respect, you know, appreciate you all, appreciate the support. This is a shout out video. So if you want me to give you a shout out, even if you're not staying for long, right? If you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section. What I'm doing, I'm reading some comments from my last upload, which is carrot sauce, how to make carrot sauce. So this person, Daily Kitchen Life, saying nice, thanks for sharing, gift basket, fist, thumbs up. I'm seeing a flag as well. I'm seeing like a Brazilian flag. Seem like a Brazilian flag. Right? So big respect to Daily Kitchen Life. Big shout out to you. Right? I'm seeing Khadija's K song saying yummy yum yum. Yeah man, big respect to Khadija K song. Right? So enough respect to Khadija K song again. Right? If you are just joining, big respect, welcome. This is a shout out live stream. Right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. I have 7 persons in the live right now. So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section, because persons will be watching this video. Right? And this is also a video to help creators as well. If you have a channel, a small channel, or if you want to grow your channel, right? This is an opportunity for you to grow your channel as well. So type it in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. Welcome again. If you're just joining, this is a shout out live stream and question and answer session. So if you want to ask me any question you want to ask me, just type it in the comment section. Right? So welcome again. Respect and appreciate everyone who took the time out to come through this live, even if you are not staying for long. I understand we are a very busy person, right? So you don't have to stay for long, but respect for passing through, right? So this is a shout out live stream, right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section, right? So what I'm doing, I'm reading some comments from my last video, which is how to make carrot sauce. If you haven't watched that video, you can go ahead and check it out, right? So this person right here, Banu Lifestyle Tamil, saying like 35, fantastic, sharing, thumbs up, right? So big respect to Banu's Lifestyle Tamil. Welcome to Karate's Kitchen, saying I 25 like nice video. So big respect to welcome to Karate's Kitchen. This person is always supporting, right? So enough respect. Mr. West Music, Mother Road. Don't know Mr. West Music. You know, you can go over and check out these channels as well. Mr. West Music saying Mother Road. I have fresh Samayal is saying good preparation. So big respect to Fresh Samayal, right? Cecilia Barnes is saying, what is the point of showing a recipe and then say you are not going to tell the subscriber that it has a secret ingredients and won't say, your channel is not for me, I am out, disappointed subscriber. Respect Cecilia Barnes, you know, even though you're disappointed, but KFC, the kernel for KFC, our recipe that he took to his grave. Right now, KFC is one of the biggest restaurant chain, fried chicken chain across the world, and nobody know the kernel secret. So if I give away my secret further on down the line, I decide to put my carrot sauce on the product line, right? Nobody will want to buy it because I'll already give away my secret. So you have to understand that I can give out 95% of some of my recipe, but some of my recipe I'll have to keep back some of the secret in order to maintain a level of control over my recipes, right? I definitely have to maintain control over some of the recipes. I can't give out everything. Right? So further on, if I decide to commercialize my carrot recipe, you know, persons will be able to have something authentic, right? But when I give out the recipe, you know, when I give out the carrot recipe, 100% of the recipe, you find that persons, if I put this product out in the marketplace, persons will have already have the recipe, right? So I understand you being disappointed, Cecilia Barnes, but you have to understand the recipe as is a very good recipe. You know, it's just a couple key ingredients missing, which it will make a slight difference, but not a major difference. You know, so welcome again to the live stream. Appreciate you guys for coming through. I have 3 persons in the live right now. Right, the system is freezing up. The camera is freezing up. Right, camera is kind of freezing up. I'm not sure if the battery is low. Let's check it out. Oh. Do a battery change. Right, do a battery change. Yes, so here again, camera battery went low on me, so I had to do a battery change, right? Technical issues, process digitally is saying technical issues. Yeah, man. The battery I'm using a DSLR camera to do the live stream. That's why I have this good quality, right? So the battery went dead. Just took out the battery a while ago, replaced the battery, so I can go again for probably another hour, right? But I have work in the morning, so I'll go half an hour more live stream and then call it a night, probably around 11 o'clock because I work in the morning, right? So in a second, let me just put this on the charge in case the battery run dead again. Yeah, so here again, welcome. If you're just joining, up and running again. Sorry for that breaking transmission, right? If you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section. This is a shout out video, question and answer video as well, live stream, right? So this is also a live stream in order to help creators as well, right? And show my appreciation to my subscribers and my supporters, persons who have commented on my videos. From time to time, I'll just go through, read the comments live on the live stream, right? I'm on my channel right now, cooking how to make carrot sauce, right? So I'm going through, reading the comments, giving these persons shout out as well as persons who are on the live, right? So welcome if you're just joining. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. So big respect to Process Digitally again, big supporter, one of my supporter, right? So go over and check out Process Digitally, right? I watch his channel sometime and he have a lot of good content as well. Pro Focus Photography is saying you should consider using a dummy battery and connecting to a power bank. Good suggestion, youth. Good suggestion, right? So I'll look into that for the next live stream. I'll look into that, look into using a dummy battery with a power bank. But I don't have a power bank. I've never really bought a power bank. I don't know why, but maybe I'm old fashioned, but I've never ever bought a power bank in my entire lifetime. I've never owned a power bank. Probably it's just old fashioned still. But welcome again. Big shout out to Pro Focus Photography. Check him out. Very good channel. Have a lot of good stuff over there. I watch his channel. So welcome again. 9 persons in the live. Right? This is a shout out and question and answer live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section and I'll definitely read your comment and give you a shout out. And if you're a creator, if you're a YouTuber, this is a good way for you to gain traffic to your channel as well, because this will be on my channel, right? And currently I have over 1,800 subscribers, right? So big respect to Pro Focus Photography again. It's good to have. Yeah, man, I know it's good to have, but maybe in the near future, right? So moving along again. So what I'm doing, if you are new, I'm on my channel with my phone and my latest video, which is how to make carrot sauce. I have a lot of comments in there. So I'm reading through the comments and giving these persons shout out, right? Giving these persons shout out, right? As my way of showing my appreciation, right? So leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out, right? Yeah, man. So this thing freezing up. I'm not sure if it's freezing on your end, but this thing is kind of there you go. You know, welcome again, right? Big shout out. 4 persons in the live. If you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. This is a shout out video, right? So moving along again. Pretty Islam Kitchen is saying like, right? Showing some emoji, something like this, something like this, something like this, right? And saying friends taste recap. So Pretty Islam Kitchen, big up, appreciate the support, appreciate you guys, always a pleasure cooking, putting up recipes, right? So if you have any suggestion as well, you want me to cook a particular recipe, you can also leave it in the comment section, and as soon as I get around to cooking, I'll try and whip it up, right? So welcome again if you're just joining. Appreciate you passing through the live stream. This is a shout out video as well as a question and answer video, right? So Malik Amna Cooking is saying, nice dear, please stay connected. So big up Malik Amna Cooking, right? Big shout out, right? So remember, if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section, right? And I'll do so, right? So that's all the comment for now on this video. So I'm going to click over to another video, which is how to make sweet potato pudding. I have a lot of comment in there. Prince is saying new to the channel. Big up, Prince. Big up every time, Prince. Appreciate you passing through the channel, Prince. Enough respect. Appreciate you coming through. Welcome. Hope you like what you see on my channel. It's always good to have new persons around. Feel free to leave your comments, show your support. Really appreciate the support, right? You guys are the ones who hold me up on this channel, give me the motivation to move forward. So big respect, Prince. New to the channel, respect, right? The Filipino foodie say hi, host. Big respect, Filipino foodies. Enough respect every time. Filipino foodie, big shout out to Filipino foodies saying hi, host. Prince is saying like the cooking thing. Yeah, man. Cooking is a good thing, Prince. So, if you can't cook, little by little, just try and learn to cook. Filipino food is saying hello, everyone. Right? Prince, I want to try doing videos one day, maybe, but I might do mostly outdoor. That is a good idea, Prince. Out in nature. Yeah, man, that is a good idea because you have a lot of videos like that on YouTube, and these videos are getting a lot of views and a lot of stream and a lot of traffic because persons like the whole idea of nature, cooking in nature and all of that. It's more relaxing and more entertaining, right? So further on down the line, when everything is said and done, I might do a few of those. I'm not sure, but maybe. So Filipino foodie. Prince is saying hi, Filipino foodie saying thank you so much, our friend. Yeah, man. So big respect again. Big respect again. Filipino foodie saying thank you so much, our friend. Yeah, man. Respect. Appreciate you coming to have 9 persons in the live, right? If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. This is a shout out video where I read through the comments on my videos as well as on the live, giving shout out Filipino foodies saying you're welcome. So big respect to Filipino foodies. Go over there and give them some support, right? Give them some support. Watch their videos, drop a comment, because that is how we grow on YouTube, right? When we post our videos, in order for the video to gain watch time and gain views and all of that and reach more person, right? When you like and comment on the video, right, the YouTube algorithm pick it up, and that video is then shown to more persons by YouTube. So when you guys watch and comment on the videos and click the like button, it helps to rank the video in the YouTube algorithm, right? So respect for the support, you know, appreciate the love and support. So Filipino foodie is saying you're welcome. Hi Prince, right? So if you're just joining in the live, welcome. 5 persons in the live right now. This is a shout out video, shout out live stream, right? And a question and answer session. So if you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? So I'm on how to make sweet potato pudding. Boy, I make a mistake and post this video on Facebook and the people that crucify me, right? People type some comment and say me spoiling sweet potato, right? Because I didn't make it according to the official custom of the Jamaica sweet potato pudding. I kind of did it my way. People on Facebook slaughter me, right? Some comment with them type on Facebook. Anyway, Filipino foodie is saying and Asha's kitchen. Asha's kitchen. So big shout out to Asha's kitchen, right? Filipino foodie, right, is requesting a shout out for Asha's kitchen. So big shout out to Asha's kitchen. Enough respect. Go over and check them out. If you are just joining the live, this is a shout out video, right? In order to help creators like myself to grow, right? Because this is how we grow on YouTube. We have to help each other. When you guys watch the video, click a like, drop a comment. It helps to rank the video in the YouTube algorithm. So appreciate the support, right? So I'm on how to make sweet potato pudding, right? So what I'm going to do now, read through some of the comments. I have 251 comments. Won't be able to read through every comment, but I'll try and move through as fast as possible. Naturalist Music is saying, wow, this came out so easy, well done. So big shout out to Naturalist Music, right? So this is a question and answer live stream, and this is also a shout out live stream, right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section, right? So welcome, welcome to my shout out live stream, right? So I have here Pole, Dougal, Yemek, Tari, Felry, right? I'm not sure where is this person from, but if it's more than likely, it's probably France. I sound like a French name. He's saying, I wish you good health and success. So enough respect to Cole, Dougal, Yemek, Tari Felry. Big respect. You understand? And this is a certified channel, so big respect. Right? So welcome to the live stream. If you're just joining and you want me to give you a shout out, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Right? So what I'm doing, I'm reading some comments from one of my video, how to make sweet potato pudding. So this person, Sadie Amil, is saying it look amazing and delicious. Emoji. But why don't you put the recipe and the description? Because I want to copy though. Laughing emoji. I watched twice to get your recipe. Thank you for sharing. Honestly, it's excellent. Star 100%. So Sadie Alim, big shout out to you. Right? This is a shout out live stream, question and answer. If you want me to give you a shout out, just leave it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. So what I'm doing is reading some comment on my video to make sweet potato pudding. Moving through again. Baba Sheriff Cuisine is saying very delicious. emoji, clap on, about 5 thumbs up, bell, crown. So thanks for the comment. Baba Sheriff Cuisine, Anna Joseph Cookbook is saying it still amazes me that I can see what people on the other side of the world are eating. It looks delicious and tasty with sparkling video quality and super intro. Thank you for such a wonderful recipe. Annie from India. So this person is from India, right? I have a lot of fans from India, a lot of supporters from India. So Annie Joseph Cookbook, big shout out. You can go over and check them out, right? This is a shout out live stream, question and answer. So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? So the Mogali Kitchen is saying 80 like, thumbs up, look so delicious, stay connected, emoji. So big shout out to the Mogali Kitchen, right? And I have Kansu Yazdishi is saying 41 like, Berdami, Senidi, Beclerim, right? I'm not sure what that means, but enough respect, right? Enough respect. Big shout out to Kansusi, Yazishi, Eve Sil, right? So I have 6 persons in the live right now, right? On my end, this thing is freezing, but I'm not sure if it was freezing on here. And I have 8 persons in the live. Welcome. This is a shout out live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. If you have any questions, type it in the comment section. All right. Yeah, man. So I'm reading some comments from my video to make sweet potato pudding, right? Sipping on some self-made Cyril wine, right? All in our vibes. So enough respect for passing through, even if you are not staying for long. Appreciate you coming through. If you are a creator and you want me to shout out your channel, type it in the comment section. So Pista's Kitchen is saying a big like from my side. It was such a favorable video. I was pleased with the video. You deserve millions of subscription. I enjoyed the whole video until the end. I wasn't aware that you made such a brilliant thought. Let's become good companions. I'll stay connected to your channel and enjoy all of your videos. Therefore, once again, I appreciate this video. Bye bye. Have a good day. Right? So this is a long comment. Very good comment. I appreciate it. Pista's Kitchen. So big shout out to Pista's Kitchen for this wonderful comment. Say I deserve millions of subscription. What do you think about that? Type it in the comment section if you think I deserve millions of subscription. Right? Because I'm struggling to get 2,000 subscription right now. I'm at 1,800. Struggling to get 2,000. And Pista's Kitchen is saying I deserve millions, but you know, YouTube is a tricky thing, right? Most persons watch, but I don't know. Most persons watch, but they don't subscribe. So remember to hit the subscription button for more videos, right? Don't just watch, right? Hit the subscription button. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Yeah, man. You know, so welcome to the live. Big respect, right? Moving through again. I have good things for you. Say an amazing recipe, sweet potato pudding, look absolutely delicious and appealing. Thank you for sharing with us such. Have a good day. Hope to see you around my place. So big shout out to good things for you. You know, big shout out. So you can go over and check out these channels, right? You know, welcome if you're just joining the live. This is a shout out live stream. If you're a creator, if you have a YouTube channel and you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. So what I'm doing, I'm reading through some comments on one of my video how to make sweet potato pudding, right? So this comment is from Cooking Doctor. Is saying like 66, it's so delicious and healthy recipe. Thumbs up, 100% mouth watering. Emoji. Thank you for sharing. Stay connected, right? So enough respect. Big shout out to Cooking Doctor, right? Big shout out if you are just joining the live stream, right? Appreciate you passing through the live stream. This is a shout out question and answer live stream, right? So if you have any questions you want to ask me, leave it in the comment section, right? If you have a channel and you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. All right, moving through again. So mom and daughter YouTuber is saying wonderful to see how people are eating all around, give new ideas. We'll definitely try the new friend shake hand. So big shout out to mom and daughter YouTuber. You know, if you're just joining the live stream, welcome. Big shout out to you. Appreciate you coming through. Right now we have 5 persons in the live stream, right? So appreciate you passing through, even if you are not sticking around for a long time, but appreciate you passing through. Big respect. Moving through again. Healthy Carving saying, oh my bad. Healthy Cravings saying, like 44, so tempting and mouth-watering recipe. Stay connected. So big up to Healthy Cravings, right? I have another comment here. Feel the Table is saying, as expected, your sweet potato pudding recipe is so perfect. Thank you so much for always sharing new delicious recipe. I'm going to watch your video well today too. Have a great day today. See you again. So big shout out to Feel the Table. Appreciate you guys coming through, supporting my videos, watching my videos. This is a shout out and question and answer live stream. Welcome if you are just joining. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section, right? If you are a YouTuber and you want some traffic to your channel, type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? So welcome again, right? So what I'm doing, I'm reading some comments from one of my videos. I'm here with my phone, right? So I'm reading some comments. As I said before, if you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. Healthy Slice Recipe is saying, whoa, so delicious, big like, have a wonderful day and stay connected. So big shout out to Healthy Slice Recipes. Big shout out to persons in the live stream right now. Welcome. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. Right? Yeah man, moving through. Recipe by me. Saying nice video. Thank you for sharing. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Big shout out to Recipe by me. You know, appreciate the support. Welcome again. If you are just joining the live stream, even if you are not sticking around for long, this is a shout out question and answer live stream. So if you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. So I appreciate you guys, right? So that is why I take the time out to do this live stream. I have 6 persons in the live right now. Welcome again. This is a shout out question and answer live stream, right? So you will see me doing more of this live stream as times go by with health and strength. You know, everything you do, you have to put the Almighty first, right? So no matter what, in everything that you do, put the Almighty first, right? You don't have to go to church to pray or give thanks. Process Digitally is saying still here. So big up again, Process Digitally. Enough respect, one of my biggest supporter, you know. did couple project together, process digitally. Go over and check him out, check out his channel, right? Have some great content on there. So moving through again, right? Somebody is saying wonderful potatoes, sweet puddings, right? I can't make out the writing for the channel because it is in Greek. So the big respect to that person who leave that comment. Cuisine, Comadani is saying perfecto, right? So I'm taking it that that person is saying perfecto, which means perfect. I can understand some Spanish language, but not all. So cuisine, come a Dani, shout out to you. Welcome. If you are just joining the live stream, big respect. Shout out to you. Welcome again. This is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. So if you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. Right? Moving along. CR3 Media is saying very amazing video. Well done. Right? Big up CR3 Media as well. So go over there and show some support to CR3 Media. My kitchen recipe with Shabanam is saying, wow, yummy and tasty. Big shout out to my kitchen recipes with Shabanam. Right? So welcome again. If you are just joining the live stream, this is a live stream shout out, question and answer session. If you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. All right? On this live stream, I'll read some comments. Persons leaving comments on my videos. I'll read them, give them shout out. So, welcome again. Happy to have you on this live stream. Moving along. Easy Cooking with Das is saying 40 like sweet potato pudding. Wow, what wonderful recipe. Looks so yummy and delicious. Beautiful presentation. Thank you so much for sharing. Have a nice day. Right? So big shout out to Easy Cooking with Das. Appreciate the support. Welcome again. If you're just joining the live stream, this is a shout out and question and answer live stream. Right? Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the support. Right? Big respect again. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Right? So wonderful live stream it was. Right? And remember that without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. And remember to subscribe if you are new to the channel. When you watch the video, drop a like, leave a comment, right? Because this will help me to rank in the YouTube algorithm, and YouTube will recommend the video to more persons, and the video will reach a wider audience. So thanks again for coming through the live stream. It is now 11 p.m. my time. I have work in the morning, so I'll end the live stream here. So thanks again for coming through. Big respect, right? Big up Process Digitally. Big up everybody for passing through, right? Remember, in everything that you do, always remember to give thanks and give back, right? No matter how small it is, give back and give thanks. Bless up. Stay safe. Don't know. Boom.